Well, what if I say you could design and create websites without writing single line of code? Well, Figma does that for you, right? But what if I say you could now publish those designs as finished websites without writing a single line of code? Don't worry, I have a solution for you. Yes, I am talking about Framer. Framer is basically a no-code web design tool that lets you design, develop and publish professional and high-quality websites in just few clicks without writing even a single line of code. Now all of you will say, oh my god, not again. Once again, a new web design tool? Seriously? Well, this tool will not give you frustration or headaches. Once you will see the benefits and what this tool is all about, you will love using this tool. Let's see the benefits. Firstly, we have the interface. The interface is so simple and similar to Figma that you won't feel that you are interacting with some new web design tool. You will just feel that you are using Figma and you are using a newer version of Figma. Second, we have the AI factor. Framer has a feature of Framer AI that lets you begin with a starter template. This feature is so useful that even a beginner can create and publish websites live even if he is not aware of UI UX. But still you need to make some changes to make the designs apt and accurate. Then we have the pricing section. The prices are quite affordable for the basic version but may seem to be a little competitive for the higher version if we compare with other design tools. Fourth, we have free and paid templates. Framer comes with tons of free and paid templates that you can begin with. This ultimately helps you in speeding up your design process and create websites, publish websites faster. So Puranjay, what is your final verdict? What is your final take from this tool? So my final take would be that Framer is just another design tool that we have around. It is important to understand that these are just tools. These are just applications that will help you in achieving certain goals. But it is also important that how faster or how quickly you can reach those goals. If Framer provides you that kind of service or that kind of surface that ultimately helps you creating websites in a quicker format and providing finished services to your client, then you should definitely give it a try. But if it doesn't fall in your parameters that you follow, if it doesn't fall in the steps you take when you work for a company or work for a client or work on your projects, then you should probably stick to your plan. But ultimately, you should always think on your individual level. Don't get influenced by if a certain person is pursuing it. But if it ultimately helps you, then you should give it a try. And remember one thing, that web designing is simple. So let's make it simple and keep it simple. Cheers.
Thank you.